Now let's take a closer look at the Apple 2025 MacBook Air 13-inch with the powerful M4 chip, a laptop designed for users who want speed, intelligence, and portability in one sleek and refined machine. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Built for Apple intelligence, this MacBook Air handles everyday tasks, creative work, and multitasking smoothly while staying cool and silent thanks to its fanless design. The M4 chip delivers a noticeable boost in performance and power efficiency, making apps open faster and workflows feel more responsive. With 16 GB of unified memory, multitasking is effortless whether you're browsing, editing photos, working on documents, or using AI-powered features in macOS. The 256 GB SSD ensures fast boot times and quick access to your files. The 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display is bright, sharp, and color-accurate, making text, images, and videos look crisp and vibrant. Its lightweight, ultra-thin design makes it easy to carry anywhere. Add in the 12MP center stage camera, Touch ID, all-day battery life, and the elegant midnight finish, and you get a premium laptop that balances performance, portability, and intelligence beautifully.